Hi, and welcome to Next. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an ad in the Next Campaign Manager. Let's get started. The first step is to click on New Campaign in the top right-hand corner. Enter your campaign's name, other info you might want to add, and click on Open. Now, let's create your first creative. Select New Creative and name it whatever you need. You have plenty of ad types to choose from. Let's start with Standard In-Feed. Next, type in or choose the size of the placement. If you hover over the question marks in the interface, you'll see helpful explanations for each option. Now let's choose a layout. We have over 30 layouts to choose from, and here you can explore these different options. For this example, let's create the 3D cube horizontal layout. Use your mouse to interact with the ad inside the preview phone or desktop. Once you've decided, click Use to confirm. Now it's time to upload your assets. You can upload them directly or drag and drop them into the asset library. If you don't have your own assets ready, you can download our demo assets to get started quickly. Then fill the asset slots by dragging and dropping from the library. Under the Extras tab, you can also add an overlay logo and a call to action button that will remain visible on the top layer during interaction. Let's try asset-based overlays for this example. You can assign these to specific assets. You can easily adjust the overlay placement using the arrow keys. Once you're happy with the creative, click on Preview. The ad will open up in a new window where you can interact with it in full. You can also click Copy Link to generate a link to share with others, or scan the QR code to preview the ad on your phone. Congratulations! You've just created your first ad creative in Next. If you need any help, feel free to reach out using the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner, or send an email to support@next.com.